welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie and today I'm here to unbox the June 2024 Beauty Heroes box. I do know which brand it is because I accidentally saw a spoiler in the email subject of the email that they send out. Even though I always try my hardest to not see the email, sometimes even when I'm trying to like quickly move it out of my inbox, I see it. So in the past, I've had my husband do it. I just need to have him do it again. But I also wish that this would come sooner to me. It comes on the 4th, and I would love if somehow they could time it to make it come closer to June 1st. That would be really nice because that would be like all the less time that I have to try to avoid spoilers. Anyways, I know the brand is Iuna. I'm excited about that. I believe they just came out with a new, like a version of their sunscreen. I don't know if it is sunscreen. I think it's Velo, but I don't really know much about it. I don't know what's in here. So I've liked the stuff from Iuna decently that I've used. So I'm excited, you know, to find out what they gave us. I think it's 2 things. I could have sworn it said like 2 launches when I saw the brief subject line or something. So let's see what's in here. It's always fun to open a box. All right, we have Iuna. And all right, we have Velo X and Needle, it looks like it's called. So it's yeah, NEED-LE. So we've got 2 products. This is what they look like. Cool. I wonder if they're full size or like travel size. Let's see here. Or like deluxe, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so we have Iuna has long been a leader in green biotech skincare and is at the forefront of research and innovation in microbiome protection. In response to the need for multifunctional protective products that balance the microbiota and stimulate skin's inherent reparative processes, Iuna presents 2 groundbreaking innovations. Velo X elevates the original Velo formula, offering an 8-in-1 supra serum that diminishes dyschromia and dark spots, smooths fine lines, and provides a soft, focused finish. Okay, so this is a serum, Velo. So I thought it was like a sunscreen. Needle, pronounced or described as an IPL in a bottle, revolutionizes skincare with silicone-based microneedle spicules from freshwater sponges, enhancing skin radiance across color, texture, evenness, and transparency. Oh, this month's Double Hero product discovery harnesses the power of green biotech for unparalleled protection against the exposome and unbridled luminosity. So let's start with Velo X 8-in-1 Defending Supra Serum. This is definitely a high dollar box. It's $145 for this and $225 for the other product. So that is expensive. So here is the Iuna Velo. So I'll be interested to know, I'm gonna just open this up here, as I read, if anything was about like sun protection, because I thought that's what this was, but yes, I'm also trying to figure out how to open the box. That was no joke, opening that. Okay, here we go. Seems like they gave pretty generous amounts, so that's pretty awesome. Here we go. Okay, let's see what it is. An extreme, because the X in Velo, X after it is in like, not parentheses, but whatever, like those little lines are. I forget what they're called. Anyways, the X and extreme is in the same thing, whatever. It's a little play on letters or words. An extreme iteration of the beloved Velo, which I had never used. Velo X is a next generation defense supra serum, expertly crafted to counteract the detrimental effects of the exposome. I don't even know what that is. A blend of 8 powerful properties protect the skin interdependently, acting as a shield to repel pollution, prevent the absorption of contaminating particles, and visibly reduce dyschromia and dark spots for a more radiant complexion. Like its predecessor, Velo X provides light protection and protection from environmental aggressors with high concentrations of titanium and zinc oxide that sit on the outermost layer of the skin to reflect light. This is sounding like SPF. The moisture barrier is fortified with time-released vegan hyaluronate, the highest molecular weight hyaluronic acid, and potent antioxidants including polyphenols and chromophores. The integration of lipids like acacia, mimosa, and jojoba waxes mitigate thermal stress and maintain skin suppleness. Distinct from the original, Velo X elevates skin defenses by enriching the part of the microbiotic ecosystem known as the photobiota factor with cell phytofusion. This technology draws on pomegranate and Arabian cotton to produce postbiotics like urolithins and melanins that support cellular renewal while improving skin texture and elasticity. Magnesium bolsters the skin's immunological barrier. With its non-nano creamy tint, Velo X seamlessly blends into the skin, creating a refined, soft focus effect. So this is 50 milliliters for $145. Excited to see what this looks like. So I'm also like, is this a sunscreen? Is it like a sunscreen but not by name? Actually, it doesn't look super dark on camera, but like on my skin, it's definitely like a skin it's, you might not be able to tell as much but like it's definitely like darker than my skin tone. It's like a strange kind of florally scent. Anyways, this is what we're looking at so far. It kind of like seems like a, you know, it's a creamy tint. It definitely seems to me like it's like a tan tint. Again, it's not really showing up on the camera, but it's not totally blended into my hand. It looks like I have foundation on, which is interesting. The smell is kind of weird. It's like, I don't know if I'd necessarily say it was floral, but I don't know. It's a little strange, but not bad, I guess, but I'm not sure. Anyways, so I don't know how much you can tell, but it definitely blended in well, but I could see how some of it looks a little bit like almost shimmery or something. I could see how, I'm definitely curious to learn more about it because it could be pretty beautiful on the skin, like luminescent sort of. I don't know, but that's how it just absorbed into my hand. So let's, that'll be interesting. I'll be interested to see like if there's any other YouTube videos or like the comments on Instagram and all the stuff, and like if they do an interview with the Iuna women and stuff. All right, next up is Needle Brightening Channeling Nectar. We've seen nectars before from Iuna, as we know. So I guess they like to do nectars. That's what the box looks like. This is what the product looks like. So we have white and black. 50 milliliters. This is $225. You have to feel it to believe it. Aptly called an IPL in a bottle. I don't even know what IPL is. I don't know. This brightening nectar introduces silicone-based microneedle spicules extracted from freshwater sponges to create microchannels in the skin that gently exfoliate, improve texture and tone, and facilitate deeper absorption of active ingredients. Suspended in a subtly iridescent nectar, the microscopic fibers feel like dozens of painless acupuncture needles stimulating the skin at once. Oddly satisfying, the sensation disappears upon absorption. Okay. After the sponge-derived spicules create micropathways, a blend of two botanical powerhouses work synergistically to nourish the skin microbiota, defend against photoaging, and promote skin renewal and firmness. A phytocellular fusion of pomegranate and Arabian cotton stimulates the photobiotic factor to prevent and counteract skin damage induced by solar radiation. This is complemented by the subtle sparkle of ethically sourced mica, an enzyme-extracted rainbow algae cellular concentrate that evens out dark melanin tones, resulting in more visibly even skin tone and enhanced luminosity. Needle is not merely focused on dark spots, but the underlying aspects of radiance, the quality of the pigment, the evenness of tone, the transparency of the skin, and smoothness of the texture. The sensory experience wouldn't be complete without the psycho-emotional activity of the aromatological cocktail Lightfulness, an embodiment of light itself. Inspired by the smell of clean cotton, the signature aroma offers a sense of freshness, purity, and joy that is truly original. So one is a Supra Serum, and this is a nectar. I guess what I'm trying to figure out is how do they work together? When am I supposed to use each of them in my routine? All right, let's see if I feel like the crazy feeling. All right, let's rub it in and see. Definitely like a nice little gel. Let's see. I was trying to like focus on my hand to see if I felt any. I'm trying to remember which, I swear like one of the other products that they had this scent, but it doesn't remind me of the nectar one from before. It's a pleasant smell. I like the smell. I'm trying to figure out, I do feel like I've had some little bursts of like gentle stinging, but I'm not positive. So this is kind of still like, I don't know, I didn't do a ton, but I gotta spread it out some more. Trying to determine if I'm feeling like some invigorating craziness, you know? I don't know, I'll have to definitely try on my face. I think I like the way it feels. Like, I think it's very like luscious feeling, sort of. Yeah. But this one's interesting. That the Velo definitely looks like I'm wearing foundation on my arm. And then this one is like super soft and stuff. So I am excited for this box. I do appreciate getting high priced items, and 2 products from Iuna is pretty awesome. I am curious as to how, like in what order I put these on and where they fit. I don't think I determined that from reading. So one of them, like the Velo is the Supra Serum. The needle is, yes, I don't really know. If somebody has a clear understanding of like what steps these are, please tell me, because I know I will know by the time I film the video at the end of June, but at the moment I don't exactly know. But that being said, here we are with our 2 products from Iuna for the month of June, Velo X and Needle. So very nice. Would love to chat in the comments below. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button to be alerted for when the next video comes out. Like I said, let's chat below. Let me know what you think about this high dollar box. I can't do math on the spot, but it's $370-ish, I think, if my math is right, approximately, if my math is wrong. So that's pretty wild. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. I would love to chat with you in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.